Good morning. This will be a brief update as there hasn't been much movement since yesterday's US bank holiday. Please see the weekend video if you want to see any more detailed explanations. Starting with Aussie New Zealand, it opened on Sunday night at a low, which was a deal to buy into above the start of wave 5. So for now we're trending up. It may morph into something of an ending pattern, but for now it's looking higher to continue wave 5 of this advance. Pound New Zealand, I bought into this on, no, pardon me, I bought into pound Canadian dollar on Sunday. I had a closer look at this on Sunday night from the low, which I am marking now as Y of 2. This move up Friday night can be counted as 5 waves. It's clearer on 5-minute chart, but there's an advance for 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 3-wave correction here, and I'm marking this as wave 1 of wave 3 for now. There are enough gyrations in there for one whole wave. We had a 3-wave correction following that, and now I'm following this as wave 1 of wave 3. Pardon me, this is wave 1 of wave 3, wave 2 of wave 3, and now we are in 3 of 3, and this is the first wave up in that middle third. It is possible to count all this as one wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, I will not be doing that unless we see a much deeper correction. For now, there are enough gyrations in this as one whole wave in one sweep. So I'm looking at this to continue up, maybe with, this is also looking 5 waves to me. If we do see a bit of a deeper correction to 163, as long as it stays above this low, they can work as a part of this and we move higher. Pound New Zealand from Sunday night's low, that was enough to complete this move for 2. However, it's been choppy going up in bursts so far. I'm not sure how to label this, but for now it is looking higher. There's no reason to sell into this at all. It continues to trend up. Euro New Zealand 2, also it retraced about, I thought it was 50%. That was a deep retracement of this 5-wave move when it opened on Sunday. Continuing to look higher in this pair towards 149x for possibly this segment being wave 4 of an ED. Alternatively, the low could be in. Euro Australian dollar, I'll be interested in buying this on a breakout from a breakout of this correction following a 5-wave advance. Alternatively, if we do see a further low, I'll look for the 78.6 level to hold. So far, we're holding the 61.8 level. So a break of trend resistance and a small retracement or a bull flag I will be looking to get into. Okay, Australian US dollar for now is still in the middle of nowhere. If it does collapse here, there is a possibility to label this as 5 waves. I'm reluctant to do so now, but it could be done. So nothing there at the moment. I need some clarity on this. New Zealand US dollar continues to look down. For the flats, I did not see a 5th wave for the C part of it. So if this does, and this fall from it, the move down from it does not look impulsive yet, there is the possibility to put on a rather ugly ending diagonal here, or maybe even a triangle. Just in case this does move higher, I will continue to look down for a down move on this pair. But just to say that if this is all of wave 1, And this was just the first part of a three-wave correction, and this is the second part. We can see another move up. But for now, the trend is down, and even on a move up, I'm looking down on this pair. Euro US dollar, from the high, I still like the idea of another wave up. However, the high has seen a 5-wave decline. If you want to label this as 1 and 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, that is possible. So any small correction here which fails in 3 towards the 4th wave area, there will be a sell into this. So the idea is that we've had a 5-wave move down. The first part of correction up may now be the entire correction up. So depends how if this morphs or if this fails on a retracement. If it does move up higher for C of 2, I will be able to adjust this as a ABC with C having 5 waves, perhaps. Pound still in the middle of nowhere, still favoring a higher move. Dollar yen has moved up well, however, to buy into this, I would need to see another couple gyrations for a 5-wave advance. So far, it looks like just 3 up. So a bit higher and a retracement, corrective retracement, and then we can get in on the long side. So continuing to look higher here. No view on Euro Yen right now. US dollar, Canadian dollar. 3 waves up, 3 waves down. So far choppy up. If this is able to fail here, above this high towards 300 or so, as long as it's beneath this high, we'll be looking to sell into this. So not all that much has changed since the weekend. I will update tomorrow on anything that has developed. Have a good day.